Summer gardening family, I am behind the camera today. Today is Sunday. What's the date again? I think today is the 16th, yeah, of November. So I am showing you this beauty right here. I will be getting yay, several mulberries. I don't know if you can see all of those blossoms. I love the mulberry blossoms. They are too cute, if you ask me. When I tell you that this plant is loaded, it is loaded. This is such a blessing. Take a look over there, up there. To me, this is the first time I'll be getting so many mulberries. If you've been following me, you know that I got quite a bit off of these mulberry plants before. But this is super right now. I am so excited. Let me go around. Did I trick it this time again to produce for me? Yes, I did. Because the leaves, they were looking, distressed and all of that after the hurricane. I did take them off. So yeah, that is why the leaves are looking so small. So yes, I did trick it into dormancy again. But this time around, my, ooh, larks. I don't think I'm doing the tree justice right now. So welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. I thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. So like I said, I'm behind the camera and I am just showing you a few things, and this mulberry tree is one of them. Hopefully I'll give you a tour by the end of the month. I can tell you that my other fruit trees, they are progressing nicely. My pomegranate beside here, these fruits, they don't look like they're going to get bigger because this one is starting to ripen. I know my daughter soon come for it. She loves pomegranate. And then I have two more right there. I also want to show you my lone passion fruit. They are so cute. Ooh, there's a lizard up there. Shoo! Hold on, guys. I'm not going over there with this lizard. Right there. My friend. Go. Go. Alright, let me. Alright, so, yeah. My lone passion fruit right there. Getting bigger. Ow! Getting bigger and looking nice. I don't know if any more blossoms came on. Like I told you in our previous video that the blossoms, the others that were on there, they fell off. And so many were on there. But that's how it is. Yeah, I am just anticipating this beauty right here. I'm so happy and so excited. I know over time I'm going to get fruits and fruits and fruits. Of course, yeah, speaking it into being. I was going to do a different video and I am having a little headache right now. I decided to just update you on a few things. So, my sorrels, look like I'm going to get a few for the season. These were what were left of them. I need to feed them. Yeah. Look at this cute little pepper tree. Such a cutie. Some cute peppers. I had stripped this fig tree, these leaves that were on there, the bigger ones. You can see they're putting out nice leaves. So let me just get rid of these few. I had left a few on there. Seeing that I didn't want to leave the tree bare really. So seeing that these ones, are coming on and getting bigger, let me just take them off. So you see I'm getting a lot of new growths. And it looks so sexy. Looks very cute. I'm just loving the look of it. And can I tell you that my avocado or pear tree, like we call it here in Jamaica, it's making nice progress. Very nice progress. Because it didn't forgive me after I transplanted it a couple months ago when I took it from the 5-gallon bucket to this bigger container. It took its own little time, but now it decided that, hey, she's a good person. Let us treat good. Yeah. Oh, these blooms are so pretty in the garden. I'm telling you, I'm enjoying them. Look at my June plum tree. It is loaded. I gave you a glance the other day, but I didn't really show you what's up. So this is what's up. New blossoms coming out right there. So I'll be getting several June plums. And they're at different stages. So I'll be getting June plums for a long while. I am so fascinated with these two zinnias right here. They're such a beauty. 3 different colors on here, or 3 different shades. And then you have the red. Too cute. Alright, so I believe I'll leave you here for now. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.